In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand site stats on WordPress.com. If you've ever wondered how visitors interact with your website or how effective your content really is, this guide will help you gain valuable insights using WordPress's built-in site statistics. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to WordPress.com. This platform is the backbone for many websites, offering everything necessary to build and manage your online presence. Whether you are running a blog, a portfolio, or an e-commerce site, WordPress.com provides a comprehensive hub to track your site's performance. Once you're on WordPress.com, it's time to log in. You'll find the Login button prominently displayed, so go ahead and click on it. You'll need to enter your credentials, so make sure you have your username and password at the ready. Logging in takes you to your personalized dashboard, which serves as your command center for all things WordPress. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the WordPress dashboard. This is your main control hub where you can access different features of your site, including the stats. Familiarize yourself with this area. It's full of useful tools and options you'll visit often. Once in the dashboard, look for the Stats option. It's often located in the menu. Clicking on Stats takes you to a dedicated page that lays out all the crucial data about your website's performance. This page displays various metrics such as views, visitors, likes, and comments. You can break these down further by specific time periods like days, weeks, or months, giving you a comprehensive view of how your audience is engaging with your content. Each chart and figure on the Stats page tells a different story about your site's interaction with its audience. For instance, pay special attention to visitor trends, which can help you identify peak times of traffic. By understanding these trends, you can better plan when to publish new content or launch campaigns. Additionally, delve deeper into individual post statistics. This can shed light on which pieces of your content are resonating most with your audience, helping you tailor future content to their interests and needs. Remember, understanding site stats isn't just about numbers. It's about interpreting what those numbers mean in terms of user behavior and preferences. This insight allows you to make informed decisions that can elevate your site's effectiveness and reach. So there you have it, a simple process to access and interpret your WordPress.com site stats. With a clear understanding of these analytics, you are well on your way to optimizing your content strategy and enhancing your site's performance. Happy analyzing!